Hi, today I want to show you how clean up cache and data on your Redmi A3 Pro. To do that, open Settings application, where we scroll down and look for our apps management. There, manage apps, and there we have list of our all applications. Find your application which you want to clear. It can be maybe gallery. There, data usage, storage, and to clear only cache, we press clear cache and confirm it. But to clear all data, we must change application because there I don't have any data. I can open calendar, clear data, and tap on clear all data. Confirm by OK, and we clear all data of our storage. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.